I've obtained the 25,000 reputation privilege, so now I get to access Stack Overflow site analytics. All developers use Stack Overflow as they are the largest question and answer platform for programming. So if you're a programmer, you appreciate what a great website Stack Overflow is, and here you will find some interesting data about the website. So there are two tabs. I'll go through them one by one. The first is the history, where I've already filtered from 2015 to 2023. So this graph is 8 years of data, and this is for the posts. So there are 3 graphs. I think the posts will be the most interesting. So this is all the posts, and here are the blue is questions and the green is answers. So one thing I think we can all see is that it is actually falling in that 8 years. So now, like in March, the traffic is about 68,000 posts, but back in 2015, it will be about 147,000. So that's double. Another interesting thing that you see is that there's a flip between the questions and the answers. So there used to be more answers, less questions. But then now, the blue line is above the green. So now there are more questions, but there are less answers. I think it's quite worrying because the number of people who are answering now is much less so. And we often will see a dip. So this is in the December period. You will actually dip about like half because that is the Christmas New Year week. So vote, the decrease is not as drastic. As for traffic, they only provided the data in 2017, so we don't have the complete data. And then I also believe that there's a change around in, I think this is 2022, probably there's some change in algorithm. So now there's a sharp fall in even the number of new visits and traffic in general. The next thing that we can look at is the traffic sources. So here, let's start with this. The traffic source, you can see this pie chart breaks down that search actually occupies 96%. Then referring is only 2% and direct is 1%. So that's a bit of a surprise to me. It's rather too much. Yeah, we know that a lot of it will come from search. And breaking down, look at the search engine. Google is still the number 1 with 168 million. Next is Bing, then DuckDuckGo, Yahoo. I don't know what is this. Then there's Yandex. Baidu, yeah, Baidu is very little. Actually, I'm very surprised by this. This is the Chinese search engine website. And then for referring website, so you must remember this referring website is only take up 2.3%. And the top referring website is actually Yandex.ru, which is a Russia website. I actually wonder why they referred so much to Stack Overflow. And then second will be GitHub.com. Not too surprised by that. Yeah, and so forth and so forth. Oh, developer.apple.com is ranked here. Not bad. So this is the end of what I can show you, as this is what they provide me with the privilege. I probably can also download the CSV and do more breakdown and details. If you have any suggestion, feel free to comment. Thank you and bye bye.